What do we say, guys?
I got schmutz in my hole.
No comment. No comment. So we're back here on the car still.
Still, you're gonna be on it for a while.
And trying to get connections apart that are completely, utterly rotted.
Are those missed connections?
There's never a missed connection, ever.
That's not what I heard.
So here's the other part that was in there.
That's the type of girls you date.
That's the kind of underwear my dad wears now. Oh, I don't want one.
Damn.
Ba-dum-bum. So,
He actually got the joke the other day. I go, you know what sucks? And he was like, what? And I go, remember when we'd always make the boxers and briefs joke?
mm-hmm.
And he's like, yeah. I go, guess what you're wearing right now? And he just looked at me like, aw, because he didn't realize it. Then he started laughing.
If you could take that from me, sir.
At least he thought it was funny.
And, hold on, wait.
Wait,
As we can see right here,
wait.
it's rotted.
What happened to that?
It's rotted.
What'd you do?
So we'll clean this all up, get this taken care of. We've got a little bit of rot to deal with. Nothing major, thank God. But we're getting back to the scrubby cleaning, and we've got a new grill coming in. So I got to get that taken care of.
I shouldn't have blew into this hose, because now my tongue's numb.
That's a lot of them.
Hey, gorgeous, give me something to end this on that's normal.
There's no such thing as